Good morning. You're watching my real life vlogs. We're doing some yard work today. We all just woke up, still have on pajamas. Say good morning. Good morning. You saw her try to wave. Good morning. Oh, thanks. Oh, I love you. So I just got done pulling lots of weeds and putting down weed killer. So I got this bag full of dead weeds and stuff, and we're about to use this hedge trimmer that I picked up from Menards the other day. It's a 22-inch electric hedge trimmer from Greenworks. Now I've used one of these before. Well, I used them when I was growing up, but mostly just fooling around. But I used one recently when I was helping my grandparents trim their hedges, and I feel like I might have some skills. So I'm gonna try it on these evergreens that we have. So yeah, our landscaper was just here cutting the grass. So everything is nice and manicured, but it was time to pull some weeds and just do a little cosmetic work for the free. Look at my canna plants. I have 5 of them. They came back and the flowers are starting to bud on them. These were not supposed to come back. These were annuals. But they came right on back, hon. My mom said it was probably because they were so close to the house, and maybe the heat from the house was keeping them alive because they are tropical. So I don't know, but that's kind of weird that a tropical plant could survive the winter. This is what the hedges look like now. Much better, if I do say so myself. I sprayed the weeds after I pulled all of them up. I sprayed their roots with some of that Roundup. Okay, now I'm gonna pull these weeds up. Ugh. Done. So we are revamping this. We're pulling up these bricks and redoing all of this and stuff, so I'm not trying to make it pretty. I just wanted to get the weeds out because it was looking really bad. So that's it for now. I just got dressed and Ann is in the shower singing in the shower. Aww. Let me show y'all Ann's outfit Anthony picked out today. It's so freaking cute. So she's gonna wear her little leopard cutoff shorts and her Black Girl Magic t-shirt that Moo got her. So cute. And her Converse sneakers. That's gonna be cute. So we're just waiting on my mom because we're headed out to a church service. It's gonna be an outdoor thing. I'm drinking so much water. I was so hot earlier trying to do those plants and stuff outside. My shower felt so good because I was sweating real bad. But I'm glad I finally got those leaves pulled up. It needed to happen. So everything looks so much better now. I trimmed the hedges. They look so cute now. And my hair, you guys, look at how slick and shiny. I used the Cantu Avocado Collection moisturizing hair gel, and it's really good. So this is my outfit for the day. Real comfy. I might not keep these shoes on. So we did her little hair. I love that gel, you guys. It's so nice. So I put some bows on the ends just to stretch her twist a little bit, but we probably won't leave those on there because I don't think she really likes them. But you look so cute, Ann. Come on, Ann. You look so cute, Ann. Yes, I do. Come on. Stand up. You look so cute. Look at you.
Yes, do you like popcorn pizza?
Let me see how it looks.
I don't.
It's cute, Mommy. It's so cute. And she's been listening to this Spanish. Girl, this is French, not Spanish, but she's been listening to this all day. You like it? Go Annie, go Annie, go Annie. She's like, no languages off limits. I like what I like. Her bows match my wristwatch. Oh, so cute. You give Daddy a kiss. Aww. I like how the yellow looks next to that black. That's cute. I like that. So yeah, y'all. I put on some mascara, blush, and lip gloss, and that was it for today. So like no, oh, I did my brows too. I filled them in, but like no concealer or anything on my face. It is so hot today, you guys. It's like 90 degrees or pushing 90 degrees, so it's too hot to be playing. That's why I wanted a flowy top and holes in my jeans, okay, so I can breathe. I got my toes out. You know, because it's just really, really hot. Okay, getting all loaded up for our outing. Got some fold out camping chairs just in case, and some blankets. And in that bag is some watermelon, because that's Anne's favorite right now, especially with the heat. They're passing out masks to everyone who's coming into the parking lot, and then now that everyone has their mask, we're being directed to where to park. There's also these Holy Communion sets in with the masks. Y'all chill, y'all. It's the next day. We've had breakfast and coffee and all that stuff, and we're just chilling. My mom is here. Anthony went and got a haircut. About to have some water. getting into some cooking, you guys. Let me catch y'all up right quick. So we are watching some CNN in the background, so if you guys hear that, you know what I'm saying, at least you'll know. Ann is up in here chilling with mommy. We're just preparing all the food for the grill. Getting ready to take everything out and start the cooking process. It's pretty late, all right? It's like 1:30 in the afternoon, so that's normally kind of a late time to get started, but because we're cooking everything on the gas grill, a lot of stuff is gonna cook really quick. So what I'm making is a whole duck right here, and I got some potatoes and I got some lamb, and I'm about to make my famous Truffle Lobster Mac. And the duck is probably only gonna take 45 minutes on the grill. It's gonna go on the rotisserie. You guys saw me kind of putting this thing together. I just used some twine, and the main goal here is just to make sure that none of the loose limbs are hanging, because you can cause grease fire like that, because we did that before. We had to learn, and I learned how to wrap this thing up from a YouTube video, YouTube University, and this guy was really thorough about it. I'll put a link below if you guys want to watch that video to learn how to do it for yourself at home. Basically, the duck is gonna roast over the potatoes, so these are gonna be duck fat potatoes. And then I got my lamb over here, just seasoned with some salt and pepper, a little bit of lime juice, and I cut slits in the meat and stuffed in some garlic cloves, so that's going on the grill as well. And then my mac and cheese is getting started over here. So, of course, my mom wants to use her charcoal grills. So she's got her baby backs and hot link on that one. Italian sausage, whatever it's called. And then chicken, Italian sausages, and some burger meat. So this is how I like to set up my little patio space, you feel me? I like to bring out my little plate settings that I got from Pier 1 Girl. Little napkins was on sale. Acrylic plates. I am just chilling. The sun is so bright, girl. It is hot as ever out here. How many degrees is it out here? Probably like 90 or just under 90 or right around 90, and it is hot, honey. I took my shower, but I feel like taking another one. It's beautiful though. It's a beautiful day, and if you sit in the shade, it's really nice because there's like a small little breeze, small breeze. Anthony needs to come set up the rotisserie. What are you waiting on? Let me go let him know to set it up, because I know how to put it together on the rotisserie stick or whatever, but I don't know how to put it on the grill. All right, it's time for the rotisserie to begin. This is the rotisserie feature, the add-on that came with the grill. So you attach it here. It's battery, well, not battery, it's operated electrically, so you have to plug it in. So we got the cord kind of running to the house plug over there. And then it basically spins this thing. It spins this thing. Goes in there and it just kind of sits on top of that, and then once we turn it on, it'll start spinning. But what we have to do with these potatoes is we have to get a spoon and push them away so that it can get out of the way so this thing can spin. Sometimes we have to push them away. All right, my truffle lobster mac and cheese is perfectly cooked, looking real steakhouse fly with the panko breadcrumbs. That's how I like it to be. It's actually kind of still cooking because it's just so hot. but I'm gonna leave it here so it can cool off. And this is done. So yep, this is my famous lobster truffle mac and cheese. I'll put the recipe in the description box once and for all. I'm just gonna type it up and put it in there for you guys. But if you make this, you gotta tag me to it. If you make this using my recipe that I kind of made up from trial and error and just knowing what my family likes and stuff like that, this is my famous one, you guys. Everybody in my family loves it. It's Alex's favorite dish, I think probably ever. So she says. So if you guys make this, you have to tag me so I can see, and you have to tell me how you like it. My mom was asking me how long this cooks. You guys, I need to think about that. I think like 35 to 40 minutes. I was telling her that because I put the lobster in raw, I think that's a great idea instead of cooking it first and then trying to put it in, because first of all, lobster cooks really fast. But then secondly though, as the lobster is cooking down in there, it's actually giving off those lobster flavors. And so basically the whole dish tastes like lobster, not just if you have lobster on your fork. Okay, let's take a look at this duck. We had to switch out the potatoes because they are done. They were done way before the duck, obviously. So this is what the duck is looking like. It's pretty much done. I'm just giving it a few more minutes. Give it like 10 more minutes and then we'll be taking it out.